Mm. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will be presenting the project plan for implementing SAP ERP at Sky Alloys and Power Limited. Our objective is to optimize business processes, improve data accuracy, enhance operational efficiency, and ensure regulatory compliance. Uh, the key objectives of this implementation is to integrate various business functions into single system, which will help in streamlining operations, reducing manual efforts, and increasing productivity across all the departments. Uh, The project covers the implementation of SAP models such as financial accounting, controlling, materials management, production planning, sales and distribution, quality management. It also includes migrating the legacy data, training end users, and ensuring adoption across the organization. Uh, so let's first understand what ERP and SAP is. ERP or Enterprise Resource Planning is an integrated software system that connects core business functions like finance, HR, supply chain, and manufacturing. And SAP, as one of the leading ERP solutions, provides the suite of applications designed to manage these operations efficiently. Next, Karthik.
So this is use of SAP and ERP in supply chain management. It includes inventory management, procurement and supplier management, production planning, logistics and distribution, demand and forecasting, and financial integration. Now I will be going to talk about project plan, which includes business blueprinting, in which we cover the point like kickoff, project initiation and planning, as if analysis, understanding current processes, to be process, define future processes. Next point is BDP, business design process. It is designing ERP solutions. And next is gap list, identifying gaps between as is and to be. Next point is realization. Realization covers configuration, which is setting up SAP system, and unit testing, testing individual components, and developing customization SAP modules, and testing upload, verifying test data upload. Third point is master and cutover data, which includes system integration testing, ensuring system integration, authorization metrics, defining user access controls, key user training, training key users, and validating with end users. Now, next point is final preparation, in which we cover master data upload, cutover data upload, and day-to-day entries, which are practical real-life transactions. And at last, we will cover go live, which is official first transaction in the production system, marking the transition to live operations. Next is project schedule and phases. So first is phase 1, project preparation, which is of 6 weeks, and key activities that we are going to cover are define project scope, governance, and key stakeholders, finalize hardware infrastructure and SAP licensing. Third point is conduct kickoff meetings and align with business goals. Fourth is set up a core project team and steering committee. Now we'll go to phase 2, which is business blueprint, which will go for 8 weeks. And the key activities that we are going to cover are conduct workshop for AS, IS, and 2B process mapping, define master data structure and business rules, identify custom developments and integration requirements, establish security roles and authorization metrics. And the key deliverables in this are uh, business blueprint document, data management strategy, and security and authorization plan. Now we'll talk about phase 3, which is realization, which will go for 14 weeks. And the key activities which are covered under this are configure SAP standard functionalities as per business blueprinting, conduct unit testing for each module, develop necessary custom smart forms, reports, and enhancements, data migration preparation and trial runs, execute system integration testing, that is SIT. And the key deliverables in phase 3 are configuring SAP systems, unit testing report, and SIT completion report. Now, from phase 4, Ashirvad will take over.
Now comes the Now comes the phase 4, final preparation, which will take around 6 weeks. Key activities: conduct user acceptance testing UAT with key users, execute final master data migration, provide end user training and authorization assignments, develop and implement cutover strategy. Key deliverables: UAT sign off, training documentation, cutover plan and checklist. Now, here comes the phase 5, go live and support. This will be taking 4 weeks. Key activities: production system activation and system monitoring, hypercare support for issue resolution, performance monitoring and stabilization. Key deliverables are go live sign off, issue log and resolution report, post go live training and support plan. Now, here comes the SAP modules which we are going to implement. First is FI, financial accounting. Functionality, manage financial transaction reporting compliances. Now comes controlling, cost tracking, profitability analysis, budgeting, management, materials management, procurement, inventory control, vendor management, production planning, production scheduling, resource planning, sales and distribution, customer orders, pricing, delivery management, quality checks, compliances, issue tracking. Now, the further will be covered by Prasad.
So coming on to cost estimate and budget planning, the total cost is 8.25 crore and which is broken down in detail below. So the cost is broken down into SAP licenses, infrastructure, implementation and consulting, training and management, data migration and integration, and contingency reserve. Next. So coming on to resource planning, the key roles include project sponsor for oversight, SAP consultant for configuration and support, business process owner to validate processes, IT team for infrastructure and data migration, key users for UAT and training, end users for daily operations. So this structured approach ensured an accountability at every level. So coming to risk management, the major risks and solutions are resistance to change, which is addressed through training and management, data migration errors, which can be fixed by multiple test runs before go live, and system downtime can be planned and go live during non-peak hours. Integration issues can be solved through SIT and UAT to prevent disruptions, and budget overruns, which can be strictly monitored, and contingency reserves can be managed. So the success metrics which we will measure success through are operational efficiency, data accuracy, process standardization, and regulation compliance. So 40% reduction in manual processes and 95% increase in data accuracy, standard workflow across department, full regulatory compliance, and these are the metrics which can be used to measure success. So this plan follows a structured SAP methodology, ensuring smooth implementation, risk management, and clear success metrics. With the right resources and strategy, Skyalloy will achieve a seamless SAP transition. Thank you for watching.